Now, for cancer patients, autoimmune disorders, and for obesity patients, I am advocating 100% uncooked diet, what I am calling monkey diet. So in which today I am going to display the recipe and preparation for strawberry pudding. This has to be consumed in the night for dinner along with dry fruits roasted makana. Ingredients are coconut milk with chia seeds, soaked cashew nuts, soaked almond, strawberry, dates, resins. So now firstly we have to paste except coconut milk with chia seeds. Now I am going to prepare strawberry pudding. Now I am putting this strawberry 5 pieces and 5 cashew nuts, soaked one, 5 almond, soaked one, and 2 big size dates. Now, in the first phase, I have pasted these, 4 ingredients: cashew, strawberry, almonds, and dates. Now, already chia seeds 2 tablespoons soaked with coconut milk. So above this we can top resins. This is one of the best nutritious strawberry pudding. It is uncooked. Always pudding means it's a cooked one, but it is uncooked puddings and you can enjoy like anything, either in a dinner time or in a lunch time or any time.